Hey guys, we're back and this is part 2 and the final piece of the puzzle of our lot. This was a 5-pound lot. We just finished testing our plated necklace that is marked 925 My Lore Made in Italy. Liar! Well, I guess it's not a liar, it's plated. But still, it's dishonest. Super dishonest. Alright, let us look at this super sweet necklace. It has some gunmetal findings. It's got some good weight to it. These are glass, metal, and I think one of them might be acrylic. But still very beautiful necklace, great condition. Has a very nice feel to it. This looks like smoky quartz. I'm sure it's just glass, but very pretty. This necklace will be $4.50. And I actually only saw one of these in the photo, but my mom and Gammy, whenever we would say goodbye, we always do the, this is I love you in sign language, or maybe it's just the I love you symbol. I don't know. Anyway, there's actually 2 of them, and at least this one's going to have to be repainted. I might go ahead and just redo this one as well. But yeah, if anyone's interested, I will sell both for $5. Otherwise, I will paint them up and save them for my family. There's also this honker chonker wonker of a wavy baby bangles set. There's a ton of them in this set. 5, 10, 15, 20. It does have some little bit of wear to it, but with a wipe down, I think it will be in great wearable condition. I will do this set for $4. We've got another connected set. This one is just in silver tone, and there are 8 of them, all interconnected. Again, needs a good wipe down, but other than that, I think it'll be fine. Let's see what it looks like all wiped up. Yeah, I think it'll be fine when it's all wiped down. This set will be $3. And then we have just a little mismatch set. There are some 3 gold tone, 3 silver tone, and then kind of an in-between twister in the middle. If you would like all of these, it will be $2. And we have one more that is actually a set, and there are 10 of them. These are in great condition. They are like new. Super pretty. Definitely a better quality. I will do these for $3. Then we have this beautiful, beautiful tribal piece. It is on just some leather cording, and I think it's like a turtle head on. So I may check that for tortoise shell. No. Well, maybe. Yeah, that might be tortoise shell or horn. So we should check that, and maybe some bone. This is very, very cool. So I will check that out. Message me if you are interested in this. It won't be outrageous. Probably in the $7 range, but we shall see. We have a super cute, findings are in good condition, little, faux pearl rhinestone necklace. These are glass. This is heavy. This is a good quality little collar piece. It's about 8.5, and you've got another about 1.5 inch extender on it. I will do this one for $3. And finally, we have this big beauty. Unfortunately, I do have to, repaint the top, but I think it will be worth it because this is super pretty. Very nice. Definitely something that I know someone will love. I will sell this as it is for $4, or I'll get it fixed up and it will be $7. And that, my friends, I believe that is everything. Did we see it all? I think we did. Yep. Alrighty. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is the end of part 2. Again, my email is haliesjewelryandmore at gmail.com. That is HALIES, jewelryandmore at gmail.com. Anything from part 1 or part 2 you're interested in, just let me know. And thank you so much for watching. This was our sterling necklace. We got a silpada. I think we found some nice little treasures, a little alpaca, and some beautiful pieces. So thank you so much for watching. Talk to you all soon. Thanks. Bye.